In the past, everyone had this plant on their windowsill at home. It's known for its invaluable medicinal properties, and growing it is incredibly easy. A simple brush of its leaves fills the air with a lovely scent. Scented Geranium is a forgotten plant for many. Loved by herbalists for its medicinal uses, it can be used to treat colds, inflammation, and migraines. In this video, I'll show you how to use it. Place a leaf of this plant in your ear, and the inflammation and pain will fade away. This natural remedy fights bacteria and viruses, while also reducing swelling. It has pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory effects. Simply crush one leaf in your hands to release its juice, roll it up, and insert it into your sore ear. Keep it in for 15 minutes and remove it. Repeat as needed for relief. You can also make a healing tincture from scented geranium leaves. Gather a handful of leaves, cut them into strips to release their juices, and place them in a jar. Cover with a cup of vodka, mix well, and store in a dark, cool place for 2 weeks, shaking daily. After 2 weeks, strain and transfer the tincture to a sterilized bottle. This tincture is used to relieve rheumatic pains and colds. A tea made from its leaves works wonders too. It helps alleviate upper respiratory infection symptoms. Just place the leaves in a cup, add a few cloves, and pour hot water over it. This brew soothes a sore throat, and using it as a mouthwash can help with toothaches, gum inflammation, and bad breath. The plant also improves air quality, emitting essential oils that benefit the respiratory system. Its scent repels mosquitoes, flies, and ticks, making it perfect for the terrace or kitchen window. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. You can find more natural recipes and valuable tips on our channel.